The crypto bull market may be here sooner than we think. I've always said that I think we may go back down, retest some of the levels that we saw, back in December, back in June of last year, before we really get a next leg up. But with how the crypto recovery is looking right now, we may not even have that luxury. I'd love it because, I feel like I didn't accumulate quite enough during this market cycle, unfortunately. But, I think that a lot of people are in the same boat. They'd like another chance to really accumulate. But here's the thing. The market is looking very strong right now. Bitcoin is holding very strong support above $22,000. Ethereum is holding very strong support above $1,500. Okay. The Bitcoin Fear Greed Index is at the highest levels it's been at since October of 2021, or holding the highest levels it's been at. Okay. The market or the economy is actually starting to recover. If I talk about this a ton, I think this is a huge market indicator. Okay. The market starts to recover before the economy does itself. Now, the economy is actually starting to recover. If we look, we actually have 2 increasing quarters of GDP. We have the Fed, tightening the amounts that they are raising interest rates. We're seeing that pull back. We're seeing inflation start to come down. All 2 increasing quarters of GDP. All signs are starting to point towards the economy as a whole recovering. And like I've said before, the market will start to recover before the economy does. So we may now be at this point where we may actually have this nice steady recovery in all markets, not even just crypto, but in all markets as we approach all-time highs again. Now, I'm not saying that's absolutely what's going to happen, but a lot of signs are pointing to this. There's a lot of stability that is being formed during these times. Now, I'm not saying go and ape in because we're not going to pull back or anything like that. Like I've said, I hope we do. I think we still will. I think we see a little bit of downside. But do I think it's to the depths that we saw before? I don't think so. Not unless we get some huge macro factors or black swan event that really brings us down to those levels. The market is very positive. Development and growth has been huge, and adoption is still coming in huge waves right now. So it's definitely something to watch for. Definitely be prepared because this may be a great year for crypto. As always, like I've said, 3 years of green, 1 year of red. We had a red year last year. This year, if it stays to schedule, is supposed to be green. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. Definitely show your love below, but I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care.